Pete, how you going? We pulled up at the BP at Tomo again for a 15-minute smoke on our way back up to the Point Island. Now I've been trying to make this video for quite a while, but work just seems to get in the way. Every time I'd square away some time to pick up the camera, the phone would ring. Can you pick up another load? Did you squeeze in another load this week? And unfortunately at the moment work comes first, because YouTube's really just a hobby for me. So because I only get one day off a week, which is generally Saturday, every time I got home at the moment it was raining. So I couldn't really film much out and about with the rain because the kids didn't want to get wet. And with the unmentionable still haunting us, no one really wants to do anything because nothing's open. So I've decided maybe to let you into my family a little more and talk about them. And keep doing a bit of truck driving stuff, but turn this into more of a family vlog as well. So I'll start with young Tomo. A couple of weeks ago, Tomo did something that was pretty big in his life. It was a much anticipated event in the rest of our lives as well. So I'll let Tom tell you what happened. So we're at Bishop down at the Logan Hyperdome, and Tom's brought us down here to buy something that's very important in his life.
Yeah.
What are we doing down here?
We've just come down to buy Maddie an engagement ring.
An engagement ring?
Yeah.
After 9 years, you're finally going to do it?
Finally did it, yeah.
Well,
finally doing it.
2 kids, 2.5 kids, and you're finally doing it.
Yep.
So
finally
good luck.
Time.
Let's go and have some lunch.
Rattle.
Okay, it's Friday morning, and as usual, we're up before the sun. We're just passing through Arachula on Cunningham Highway. We've got our 4 loads of aluminium out of Point Island this week, and we're going to finish it off with a load of concrete blocks out of the solar farm at Warwick. So it's been a long week. It'll be good to get home this afternoon. So be safe, and we'll see you down the road.